Along, Michael Lipp still out in front. And some car lengths behind him is TJ Gibson following that first turn of the
caution on the speedway. We got one turned around sideways. What number we got? 06.
TJ Gibson.
TJ Gibson. And man,
the only time I've truly ever really been we were working on a Ferrari and had to do some movement on I thought was pretty good. Just depends on what lines up. Yeah, the chain fits now, so I know we went at least that far. On this side, just yours. We're probably going to have to block this side up to get that side down even past it. Yeah, good start. What's up there to do? The real question is, we'll block this.
Look around and everything and see if it's doing what it's supposed to be doing on all the mountain points over there.
Yeah.
I want to get underneath.
This one's totally closed back up and on itself. This one's closed on itself. And this side didn't really tear so much as this side did. Shoot, yeah, I like it.
I can see the back of the motor now.
Right? Yeah, Robert, we need to block the high side, or the low side, and even it out now. I know we're hot on that side, so what we're going to do now is block this side, so now we can bring it down. And then if we need to come down more, we have to bring it down. Let me put the square.
None of the matter. This side right here is going to give it a bump to stand here.
It should be okay.
And it's probably ballpark right there.
It needs to come some up. This is correct. Well, alright. Now let her up. Oh, yeah, you're going to have to go faster. You're not trying, are you going to rebuild this guy? Send it to Amiga. We'll start taking measurements of how far we're going. That's 2 3/4. Let her go. Let's go to 3. Two and a half. 2 3/4. That's 3. Let's give it a couple of hammer smacks on that side somewhere. A lot of people with their frame machine, they have pressure gauges on them. But pressure is only measuring how hard you're pulling it. It's not showing how far you're pulling. So by measuring how far we're pulling each time, we know where we can go back to and then put more on it. So I think it's a little more accurate than how we put 3,200 pounds or whatever on that. See what that did. more. Maybe 3 1/4. Two and 3/4. That's 3. That's 3 1/4. Go a drop farther. Let's go ahead and take this front bumper off because it's also throwing my eye all off on it. The first pull's making all look so fast. The first foot's easy to pull. The last inch or two is the trickier part. This side just wants to stay up. Eighth of an inch. I mean, we're just going to put some bullshit up on.
But you see, I had the frame rack ready for you to just take outside on Sunday, you know.
Let's get out of the way. charge for that. It's taking some of it, but. Give it a touch more. All right. Let's we'll give it one more with Big Boy, or you think that's all it's taking? That's opening up the wrinkle. TJ, you want to come check this out? For Crown Vic Racing, is that a... Like it never.